How to buy Sol Roulette token. So this token came under the symbol of roulette. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 400% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token trended number 27 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is as simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds money for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is also going to click on it, and here's like how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slip patch, and after that you can go and buy this token. So this is how to buy Roulette token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.